everyone, good morning. Welcome back to maths class children. So we are learning block 14. In that we have completed S1. Yes, what is our block 14 children? It is about length. So what do you meaning of length? Length tells us how long the object is. Yes, length tells us how long the object is. If I ask you to measure your window, how will you measure, children? How can you measure your window? Yes, we can use some tools to measure the window. What you can use? Yes, you can use scale, meter, tape. Yes, so these are the tools to measure the length. But if you don't have scale or meter, tape, how can you measure? Yes, you can measure by using your body parts also. Yes, you can measure the length by using your body parts also. So do you know that? Yes, the body parts. So in this class we are going to learn appropriate measurement to unit. Appropriate measurement unit. So the length. So to measure the length we will take some body parts. We can measure the length by using our body parts. What are they, children? Digit. So we can measure the length by using our digit also, by using our body part. So what is digit? The width of the first finger is called digit. Yes, the width of the first finger. So everyone take your first finger and check your digit. The width of the first finger is called digit. So you can measure with your digit also. But can you measure your window by using this digit? It's very hard to, you can measure, but it's very hard. It takes much time to measure the window because your width is very small. So you have to going on counting. Yes. So measurement. So can you measure your window by using this width? No. So you can measure, but it is very hard. Next, hand span. The distance from the tip of the little finger to thumb. What is hand span, children? The distance from the tip of the little finger. Can you find your little finger, children, everyone? Yes, tip of the little finger. Here your little finger. The distance from the tip of the little finger to thumb. You can measure like this. So, tip of the little finger to thumb. The distance between in this. So, this is called hand span. The distance between little finger to thumb is called hand span. So, like this also you can measure. Yes. So, if I ask you to measure this pencil with your hand span, can you measure, children? Yes, we can measure like this by using our hand span. Yes. And also we can measure pencil by using your digit also. See, digit means what? The width of the first finger. Yes, so here I have one more first finger and here I have one first finger. So you like this you can measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So like this you can use your digit and hand span to measure the length of the given thing. If the thing is smaller thing, you can use your digit. Yes. If I ask you to measure this chalk piece, so what you can use, children? Can you use hand span? No, this is not that much longer. So what you can use? You can use digit. So you have to choose the appropriate unit to measure. Yes, by according that length of the given thing. So you can use cubit, digit and hand span. So next, cubit. Cubit means what? The distance from the middle finger to elbow. So where is your middle finger, children? The distance from the middle finger to elbow is called cubit. So here the distance from the middle finger to elbow is called cubit. Yes. So what you can use? For what you can use cubit, children? If you have longer things, you can use your cubit to measure. Yes, like garland, flower garlands, like any things. Next, foot span. What is foot span? The distance from the toe to heel is called foot span. What is foot span, children? The distance from the toe to heel is called foot span. So what you can measure with by using this? Yes, you can measure the length of the room by using your foot span, children. You can measure the length of the room by using your foot span. Next, pace. P-A-C-E, pace. Not face. P-A-C-E, pace. What is pace? The distance covered by the foot. So how much distance can you cover with your foot? That is called pace. Yes, how much distance will your foot can occupy? That is called pace. The distance covered by the foot is called pace. So these are the units to measure the things, children. Yes. So these all are which units? Non-standard units. Why we can call them as non-standard units, children? If anyone asks you what are the non-standard units, means you have to tell these names: digit, cubit, handspan, foot span and pace. These are the non-standard units because for one person to other person, the changes, the body parts will change. So the width of the first finger. If I measure this pencil with my digits, I can get 14 digits. But if you measure, you will get more because you have the less width of mine. Yes, when you compare with your first finger with my finger, that is little than your first finger will be little than me. So you will get more digits when you measure the pencil. So the changes will from one person to other person, the changes, the measurements will change. Yes, so the measurements will change. So we will call them as non-standard units. Now we will see how can we measure the things by using our non-standard units. Let's see, children. So let's take some examples to measure the things with our body parts, children. So yesterday we learned already what are the non-standard units. We can use our body parts to measure: digit, handspan, cubit and foot span. So here I have maths textbook, children. So which unit I can use to measure this maths textbook? I can use digits and I can use handspan also. So I can use cubit. So this is small book, so we can't use cubit to measure this much small things. So if it is very long thing, means we can use cubit. Cubit means what, Nana? Cubit means the distance from the middle finger to elbow is called cubit. So we can't use cubit for this maths textbook. So what you can use? You can use digit and handspan. Digit means the width of the first finger. So this is called cubit. This is called digit, and the distance from the little finger, tip of the little finger to thumb is called handspan. So we can use both the units. Digit we can use and handspan also we can use to measure the maths textbook. So I am using digit first. So everyone observe how I am using digits. So here, from here to here I am going to measure them. So see, this is, so digit, with digit I am using now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I took 20 digits for the maths textbook. How many digits did I take, children? 20 digits. If you use handspan, how many handspans could it be? Can you guess, children? Can you estimate handspans? So 20 digits I took for the maths textbook. Next, how many handspans can we take for this? So I am estimating 3 handspans it should be. So now we will check. It will be 3 or more or less than 3. So see, handspan means what, children? The tip of the little finger to thumb. So is called handspan. So I am going to measure with handspan. 1, 2. So here 2 handspans are there. So for the maths textbook I took 20 digits and 2 handspans. So like this you have to measure the things by using our body parts. So here I use a digit and hand span to measure the maths textbook. Now I have pencil. So what is this? This is pencil. So which body part can we use? Which unit can we use? Which non-standard unit can we use, children? We can use digit only for this, because this is also small thing. So we can use digit, and hand span also we can use. Can we use cubic, children? No, this is not that much longer. So we can't use cubit for this. So what we have to use? We have to use digits. So I am using digits. So see, children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here I took 13 digits for the pencil. So the measurement of the pencil is 13 digits. So the first finger, width of the first finger. So I took my both hands first finger and I measured like this. So understood how you have to use digit, children? Now use hand span. Can we use hand span for this? Yes, we can use. So I am using hand span, children. So here I took only one hand span. How much distance is this? Only one hand span is there for the pencil. So like this we can use measurements to measure the things. So here I took a box, children. So this is box. So what we can use for this, children? For this also we can use digit and hand span. So how can you use digit to measure the length, children? We can up to now we have measured pencil and maths textbook also. Now we will check this box, Nana. So see, I am measuring this box with my digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So how many digits did I take for this box, children? 19 digits. And we can use hand span also for this box. So see how many hand spans we have for this. So see, 1 and somewhat left. So we can consider this 1. So this is the way to use the digit and hand span to measure the things. Have you understood, Nana? If the thing is very small, we can use digit. Now see, this is eraser. So what we can use for this eraser? Can you use hand span for this eraser, children? Can you measure this eraser with hand span? No, we can't use for eraser. So what we can use? We can use digit for the eraser because it is very small thing. So with this we can, like this we can measure the eraser. With digits we can measure the eraser. If the small things means we can use only digit. If the big thing means we can use cubit. Yes. So if it is medium thing like maths textbook, like this box or like this pencils, so for them we can use hand span. So understood, Nana? So now everyone take 2 or 3 things from your home and measure them by using your non-standard units. So non-standard units means cubit, hand span, digit and foot span. So now we will see these all on the board. Yes, children, let's see what did we measure. Book, pencil, eraser, box. These are the units with I measure. Digits and hand span. So how many digits? 20 digits to measure book, 2 hand spans to measure book, 13 digits to measure pencil and 1 hand span for pencil. Next 3 digits for eraser and 0 hand spans for eraser. Box 19 digits and 1 hand span. So like this you can measure the things by using your measurement, by using your non-standard units. By according to object you can choose the appropriate digit. So if the thing is smaller thing you can take digit or hand span. If the thing is longer thing you can use cubit. If the thing is medium you can use hand span. So you have to choose the appropriate unit to measure the given things. So understood, Nana, how you have to measure? Take 2 or 3 examples and measure the things by using your hands, by using your non-standard units, children. Now everyone open your text volume, page number 32, appropriate measurement unit. So here you have Put today's date, everyone. And the first question, use your digits to measure these objects. So you have to use digits to measure the object. So measure by using your digits. So how you have to use? Like this, you have to use the digit. So everyone measure and write the number of digits. Next, second question, pick the best unit of measurement. So to measure the bottle, which unit is appropriate? Is it digit or handspan? What you can choose? So which one is easy to measure the bottle? So tick it. If digit is appropriate unit, tick. If handspan is appropriate unit, tick. If it is not, tick wrong. Next, keyboard and bat. You have to use the appropriate digit. Next, third one, which is the best unit to measure a bat? Why? So which is the best unit to measure a bat? Digit or handspan? Why? You have to give the reason also. So complete your volume. Along with your volume, you have to complete your textbook also, children. Everyone, open textbook. In the textbook, page number 89, you have definitions of the non-standard units, children. Everyone, read them and practice them and learn them, Nana. So page number 89. Next, you have to complete S2 from the textbook, page number 92. So you can complete your S2 in your textbook only. Just you have to write the correct answer from them. So choose the correct answers. You have to choose the correct answers in the question number 3. Everyone complete it. I hope you all understood. Thank you.